Today we're going to be talking about refinancing your home and whether or not it's something that makes sense to do. When looking to refinance a home, a lot of times people are purely motivated by a decrease in the rate that they're paying on their current loan versus what rates are today. There's a couple of important things you want to consider though before going through with that refinance. First thing you have to do is look at what it's going to cost you. Okay, so there's certainly going to be some closing costs involved with refinancing your home. They're going to have to run title work again. There's going to be some bank fees, some points, some interest, things like that. So it is going to cost you, a few $1,000s. Certainly to refinance that home. So you want to make sure that the savings that you're going to have in your monthly payment, you're going to recoup versus what it costs you to actually refi. The other thing you're going to want to look at too is the term of the loan you're refinancing into. So if you're going from a 30-year to a 30-year, there's going to be some relativity there. Sometimes people want to refinance and shorten the term of their loan, which is going to lead to a higher installment, but certainly some interest savings, and you're going to be paying a lower rate typically. But another thing that's important to note is that a loan amortizes over the years, right? So when you first get a 30-year mortgage, all of your payments for the first year are heavy interest, very little principal. As time goes on, it's kind of like a teeter-totter, and you're going to be paying more principal and less interest with every single payment. So one of the things that's important to consider, and a lot of people, neglect to look at, is that you're going to be starting from scratch. So if you've had this loan now for 5 years, 10 years, and you want to refinance into another 30, you may be saving some money month over month because you're getting a better interest rate, but you're going to be paying a higher percentage of interest in proportion to what your monthly installment is, okay? And you're going to be starting from scratch. So you really want to make sure you weigh all the pros and cons before refinancing. But if you are looking to refi and it makes sense for you, feel free to reach out to us and we can point you in the best direction.